I don't think, obviously you wouldn't remember जब
I
मेरी career
remember
की
it.
शुरू.
No, I absolutely remember it. Yes, now that I've seen you, I remember it.
I
Absolutely.
haven't changed much, which means
Yes, not at all. Not at all. How have you been? How's your family?
everybody's doing fine. Everybody's doing fine. It's nice to talk to you after so many years after
Yes.
Superstars की खो.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम है अनुपम खेर. आप मुझे देख रहे हैं आरजे हिमानी के साथ लेट्स थिंक अलाउड.
Let's think aloud and Radio Chutney. You're tuned in with me आज हिमानी और मेरे साथ है मेरे करियर के सबसे फर्स्ट एंड सबसे मोस्ट फेवरेट आर्टिस्ट अनुपम खेर. हेलो अनुपम जी, हाउ आर यू?
नमस्ते हिमानी, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. बहुत खुश हूँ आपसे बात करने के लिए आफ्टर so many years, almost about 17 years.
Yes, I'm also happy to talk to you.
ओके अनुपम जी, पहले तो शुरू करते हैं. आपका सोशल मीडिया हमें बहुत पसंद है, बहुत ही ज्यादा. यू हैव वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट अकाउंट्स in recent years that I've come across, not forgetting Dulari ji. Now your life has truly been कुछ भी हो सकता है. सिग्नेचर आपकी कौन सी फिल्म है? फिल्म नंबर
525.
525. ओके. तो
उसके बाद मैंने 17 फिल्में और कर ली.
17 फिल्में और कर ली. अमेजिंग. तो ये जो टुवर्ड्स 600 आपका नंबर जा रहा है, I want to ask you, Anupam ji, what is the legacy according to you, in your eyes, that you have created? You know, what would you like to be remembered as?
Well, I think if you work hard and you're honest, you can always achieve your dreams. I'm a sum total of my failures also. Failure is an event, never a person. People give too much importance to failure, success and failure and things like that. I think I'm a God's special child. I come from a small town, from a lower middle class family, and today I am talking globally about my 525th film on Z5 Global. God has been kind to me, and that's because, of course, love of producers, directors, and the audiences, but also it is my own attitude towards work. I don't give much importance to failure, so I keep working. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि काम से ही काम मिलता है. और मेरा जो मेरा चैलेंज या मेरा जो कंपटीशन है वो मेरे खुद के साथ है. I don't get easily impressed with myself. I want to keep finding difficult situations to make my job more interesting. I always believe that competence is the biggest enemy of brilliance. And if your body of work is so much, you can be happy with the competence also. The same film, The Signature, could have been done with a little less soul, and yet it could have. But that would be cheating with myself. जब मुझे लगा कि ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि इसमें आप अपनी आत्मा दे सकते हैं, और बिकॉज सब्जेक्ट ऐसा है, मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है इस सिचुएशन में, खासकर कोविड के बाद, कि अगर कोई आपका प्यार जिसको आप करते हैं, चाहने वाला या जो कुछ है, अगर वो ऐसी सिचुएशन में हो और आपके हाथ में उसके जीना या उसका मरना आपके हाथ में, तो आप क्या करेंगे? So I think what makes me hopefully different from other people that I don't take myself seriously. I'm happy and proud of my achievements, but that's it. And I also enjoy the present. For me, present is important. Journey, life for me is a journey. It's a cliche, but it's true. Life is a journey, it's not a destination. So I enjoy the journey.
Fantastic. Now talking about the film, The Signature, and it is a very sensitive topic, जैसे कि आपने कहा. What were your emotions when you first read the script, or even while filming the film?
I thought it was a fantastic story, and some people in my life, my wife was at that time diagnosed with cancer when the story came up, and I just finished doing a hospital drama, The New Amsterdam. So I told Gajinder, I said, let's do this. If possible, do it in a real hospital. And we shot the whole film in a real hospital where I could see life all around me and the situation. I was still portraying them, but I think it was my tribute to all those people who I saw in the hospital, that I should be as sincere in my emotions as I can, because I am just acting. मैं acting करके गाड़ी में बैठ के एयर कंडीशन ऑन करूंगा, होटल जाऊंगा, फिर हाथ हॉट शावर लूंगा. अगर इनकी लाइफ वैसे की वैसे रहने वाली, ये फिर जाएंगे अपने घरों में, फिर इनको परेशानी होगी, सुबह डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, माँ बीमार है, बाप बीमार है, या कोई बच्चा बीमार है. So at least the only thing that I need to put in is my 100% sincerity and heart and character.
Lovely. Like you said कि आपने actually hospital में shoot किया. Anything that आपके मन में आया, जहन में आया that you want to say to the youngsters that are surviving today in a very fast and practical world कि आपको लगा they should know this?
Without sounding kind of a person who lecturing them, I think disappointment is part of life. Today's generation finds it very difficult to be disappointed. They can't deal with it. My generation, somebody else's generation, ये सब generation जो है ना, ये सब man created है, people created है. जिसको तकलीफ होती है, हम तो घर आते थे, सुबह निकल जाते थे, रात को आते थे, माँ को पता ही नहीं था, मार भी पड़ती थी, ये भी होता था. Today you are 2 years old and you are handed over a mobile phone to distract. हमारे यहाँ कोई distraction ही नहीं होती थी, या बहुत सारी generation की distraction नहीं होती. So the human touch is missing in today's generation because you are surrounded by fake. Your smile is instead of exchanging a real smile, you have an emoji for smile. Instead of exchanging a real hug, you have an emoji for hug. You don't feel what it means to hug somebody. You don't know what it seems to smile at somebody. और फिर disappointment तो होती रहेगी. आजकल सोशल मीडिया इतना है, किसी के 1000 फॉलोवर्स हैं, किसी के 2000 फॉलोवर हैं, तो जिसके 2000 हैं उसको 1000 वाले को लगता है मैं am I not popular? So हर चीज में you are made to feel that somebody is doing better than you. So you have to find the strength within yourself. But the parents have a very important role. My mothers earlier used to be at home. They were an emotional connect. Now in today's, because of the situation, both the parents have to work, and we bribe children by when the parents tell me ये मेरी 3 साल की बच्ची YouTube पे चली जाती है, मुझे दुख भी होता है. I'm impressed also, but I feel sad also. That I still have a sense of wonder about life. I still am surprised that ये सिंगापुर में आप बैठी हैं और मैं यहाँ से बैठे बात करा रही हैं हमको जयती, और आप और मैं बात कर रहे हैं. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कैसे हो रहा है. So Google can give you information, but you can get knowledge only by living life. So I think that is what I would like to share with them. But at the same time, today's generation may come across irreverent, but they are very real. वो बेशक आपके पाँव नहीं पड़ते हैं, मगर वो आपसे honest हैं. वो honesty बहुत अच्छी बात है. They are much more honest. That's why I feel the future of my country is very bright, because we have such an amazing, vibrant younger generation.
Yeah, beautifully said, Anupam जी. ऐसे लग रहा था आपको सुनते ही जाऊं. Finally, I have one question for you. Now, आपने इतना, like in your career, you have done so many things phenomenal. Comedy की है, intense, emotional, anger, Batman role, सारा कुछ किया है. What keeps Anupam Kher going? What happens month after month, year after year, and you are inspired to take on newer projects and challenges? कैसे होता है?
Life is beautiful. I'm thankful to life. Every day living, you get up in the morning, you see sunrise, rains, you see everything, you're alive. I don't complain. Means I do get upset about things like that, but I don't complain. I think complain जो है वो आपको gives you the illusion of luxury. Complaints give you illusion of feeling, oh मैंने complain. मैंने 2 शब्दों का इस्तेमाल, 2 words I have not used consciously for the last 34 years. Bored and the other word is I'm bored and I'm not happy or something like that. You know, I've never said that. I'm not never said that I'm bored or I'm mood नहीं है. The other word is mood नहीं है. ये जो दोनों वर्ड हैं वो इस्तेमाल करते हुए आपको बड़ी सेंस ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस होती है, फॉल्स सेंस ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंस. मेरा मूड नहीं है. So I find inspiration in common people. I find I'm really interested in people. When I'm talking to people, I'm really listening to their answer. And I'm happy with myself. When a man crosses his 50 or a lady crosses her 45, they discover what kind of people they are. And either they like themselves or they don't like themselves. I love myself for how I have dealt with my life. And there is so much to do. कंप्लेन करने से ये इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम एंड एनर्जी.
Anupam ji, I'm definitely scheduling another full-fledged interview with you on life and what it means like to live wholeheartedly and fully. Thank you so much, Anupam ji. Wonderful talking to you and seeing you
All
after.
the best. Take care. My love to you and your family.
Thank you.
Nice to see you after so many years.
Nice.
Take care.
Yes. Bye.